late today. You know? So yeah, we had planned to go to Ooty today, but then we didn't get the right information about the permits near the border. Like Tamil Nadu is still under lockdown, I guess. Maybe, don't know. So later we decided not to go to Ooty because of the border issues. And then we decided to go to Mandalpatti. It's near Madikeri, and then red alert has been given due to heavy rainfall. We had planned Sakleshpur, Osali Gutta, but then that also due to heavy rainfall we cancelled the plan. So now we are headed to Kunti Betta, and it's 6:15 right now, and we are headed to Kunti Betta. We postponed the Ooty plan for next week or maybe after 10 days. We have already completed like 12 kilometers from my home, and Kunti Betta is just 35 kilometers away from my home. I've been recording from that time, but this GoPro didn't record that. It got hang and it's not available to view the media, so I lost the footage. So this is what all the GoPro users talk about, which happens to be the best camera in market, but still it has a lot of bugs. So then we have to remove the battery and put it back. So I checked once again, so it's recording now, and I'll try to retalk whatever I talked from that time. So yeah, we have completed 25 kilometers and just 10 more kilometers, I guess, 10 more kilometers to go. So yeah, Kunti Betta comes after Pandavapura. I don't know exact place, the exact town. So as I said in the previous vlog, I decided to get a new battery for the GoPro. So now I have 3 batteries. Yeah, one is set to be delivered. It will be coming by today or tomorrow. I had a 64 GB memory card, but then I decided to get a new one. I got a 256 GB SanDisk Extreme card, and it's more than enough, and one extra battery, like all set to go on a long ride. So I'm wearing this gloves for the first time. Like I haven't gone anywhere, but yeah, this is the first time I'm wearing the gloves. I thought of let me get used to this once we go on a long ride. Yeah, for now, for us, long ride is just like 150 to 200 kilometers one way. Yeah, that is considered as a long ride for us right now. So yeah, I had a vibe that we are going to Ooty or Mandalpatti, but then it got cancelled, it got postponed. Was a bit mood off, but then it's fine, it's totally fine, it's reasonable. So as the plan was postponed, as we had planned something up for today, we had decided to just go to Kunti Betta and come. This is the 4th time I'm going to Kunti Betta, and it is actually nice. You can revisit it many times as you want. So yeah, keep checking up on the GoPro. Like I just saw my screen and it was flickering, so then I got to know that it's not recording properly, and keep an eye on the light also. So just see yourself in the mirror. If it's recording, then fine. If it stopped recording, we have to remove the battery and put it back to start it again. So yeah, here you can take the stairs or you can go this way. So this is the fourth time I'm coming to this Kunti Betta, but I didn't know about this another route where you can take your bikes up.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some wine. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, cause there's so much fun. Are you loving it, feeling it, touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're seeing, untypical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. Now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave and live. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone. alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave with me. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How sad.
So yeah, one of my friend got late and I just dropped her near Columbia. She has parked her bike there, like a scooter, and my other friends are still there and I have to go pick them up. So yeah, it's extra 20 kilometers from Kunti Betta to Columbia, like Mysore. Yeah, it's 20 kilometers and from my home it's 35 something, I guess. It's 10:40 right now and I've entered Srirangpatna once again. So yeah, another 12 more or 13 kilometers more to go. There are lots of people right now and I don't know why they are coming at this time. It's 11 o'clock right now and I don't know why these people are coming to Kunti Betta right now. Like at this time it is too hot right now and you can't trek properly. It's better if you come by 6 o'clock. It will be great. You should be returning home by this time, but I don't know why these people are coming at this time. This video. If you like this video, you know what to do, and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, you know what to do. So thank you for watching till now. We'll meet you up in the next video, next ride. So until then, travel as much as you can, travel as far as you can. Bye bye.